Welcome to Best Choice. The best Yocan Uni is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly concentrate vaporizers on the market, offering a seamless experience for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. Its innovative design and robust features make it a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable and discreet way to enjoy their favorite oils and concentrates, ensuring consistent vapor production and excellent flavor with every puff. This device is engineered to simplify your vaping journey, providing a powerful yet portable solution that fits effortlessly into your daily routine. Number 5. OZCHIN Smell-Proof Bag with Combination Lock. Experience true discretion with our advanced carbon lining and waterproof fabric. It effectively absorbs and locks in all odors, keeping your belongings dry and unnoticed. This spacious case measures 8.5 by 5.5 by 4.5 inches and includes 3 removable dividers. You can easily organize your items, from mute discs and cards to strong-smelling accessories. Keep your personal items safe with the easy-to-set combination lock. It's perfect for keeping children away from your belongings, whether at home or while traveling. Crafted from durable 300D polyester fabric and featuring a silicone waterproof zipper, this bag ensures a tight seal and exceptional longevity. Looking for a discreet storage solution? This is the ideal gift for anyone needing to store valuables securely and privately. Plus, it comes with a 24-month warranty. What we like. This bag offers superior odor control with advanced carbon linings and a waterproof exterior. Its customizable interior with removable dividers ensures your items are neatly organized. If you are looking for a discreet and secure way to store your valuables or accessories, especially those with strong odors, this is a great choice for travel or home use. What people say. The battery life is amazing, lasts for days on a single charge. The magnetic adapter makes it super easy to swap cartridges. It heats up very quickly and provides smooth, consistent vapor. Number 4. GENTINGBRO Lock Bag Travel Lunch Black. Introducing the GENTINGBRO Lock Bag, designed with advanced 5-layer carbon technology. It effectively contains any odors, ensuring a discreet experience. This bag offers a generous capacity for all your essentials. Inside, you'll find 3 removable baffles, allowing you to customize the storage space for various items. Keep your belongings private with the integrated combination lock. Its simple yet strong design deters unwanted attention, perfect for travel and daily use. The upgraded design boasts a modern aesthetic that complements your style. It's not just functional, but also fashionable. Whether for short trips, daily outings, or home storage, this bag is your ideal companion. It's designed to meet all your storage needs with convenience and security. What we like. Featuring advanced 5-layer carbon technology, this bag effectively contains smells and offers a generous capacity for various items. The adjustable dividers allow for personalized organization. If you need a spacious and stylish solution for storing strong-smelling items or food for travel or daily outings, this bag provides both functionality and a modern aesthetic. What people say. The Yocan Uni is a compact and discreet device that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. It features a magnetic adapter that makes attaching and detaching cartridges quick and easy. The adjustable voltage settings allow you to customize your vaping experience to your preference. Number 3. 8 PCS Soldering Iron Thread Adapter Set. Introducing a set of 8 thread adapters designed to be compatible with most soldering iron types and connectors. These are perfect for your electronics. Crafted with a stainless steel housing and a brass core, these adapters are built to last. They offer excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term durability. Experience a secure and reliable connection every time. It ensures a seamless coupling with your soldering iron connector, minimizing any connection gaps. Using this adapter couldn't be simpler. Just align the soldering iron tip with the connector, and its magnetic feature will handle the rest of the connection process. Designed with both style and convenience in mind, it's lightweight and portable. You can easily take this essential repair accessory with you wherever your work takes you. These adapters are specifically helpful for repairing circuit boards. They provide the necessary compatibility and ease of use for intricate electronic repairs. What we like. Constructed with a stainless steel housing and brass core, this adapter is built for longevity and resistance to rust and corrosion. It ensures a reliable and seamless connection with soldering iron tips. If you are a professional or hobbyist looking for a simple, portable, and robust solution to connect different soldering iron components for electronic repairs, this set is an excellent option. What people say. The Yocan Uni is a compact and discreet device, making it easy to carry around. It features a magnetic adapter that securely holds your oil cartridge in place. The adjustable voltage settings allow you to customize your vaping experience. Number 2. Ambition Soldier Rotary Tattoo Pen. Introducing the Ambition Soldier Rotary Tattoo Pen, designed for both professionals and beginners. Experience precision and power like never before. Equipped with a Japan coreless motor, this machine delivers smooth and consistent performance. It ensures a comfortable and efficient tattooing experience. Enjoy the freedom of wireless operation with its 2400 mAh battery. Tattoo without the hassle of cords, allowing for greater mobility and creativity. The integrated digital LED display provides clear visibility of your settings. Easily monitor and adjust your parameters for optimal results. This professional-grade equipment is built for durability and reliability. It's the perfect tool to elevate your artistry. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this rotary pen is designed to meet your needs. Achieve stunning results with ease. What we like. This rotary battery pen features a powerful Japan coreless motor and a wireless 2400 mAh battery for ultimate freedom of movement. The digital LED display provides clear information on settings. If you are a professional or beginner tattoo artist seeking a high-performance, portable, and user-friendly machine for precise and comfortable tattooing, this equipment is designed for you. What people say. The Yocan Uni is a compact and discreet device that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. It features a magnetic adapter that makes attaching and detaching your oil cartridges quick and easy. The adjustable voltage settings allow you to customize your vaping experience to your preference. Number 1. SUPRUS Lighter Electric Candle USB Type-C Rechargeable Lighter. Experience peace of mind with our advanced safety features. It includes a dual-switch ignition and an automatic shut-off after 7 seconds for your protection. Don't let the wind stop your flame. Its windproof design and lightweight build make it perfect for any adventure, from camping to BBQs. Always know your power level. The upgraded LED display shows you the real-time battery status, so you're never caught off guard. Say goodbye to butane. This lighter uses innovative plasma technology for a clean and safe ignition, with a subtle sound indicating it's working. Everything you need is in the box. You'll receive the rechargeable lighter, a USB Type-C cable, a user manual, and our dedicated customer service. What we like. This electric lighter utilizes plasma technology, making it windproof and flameless, perfect for any outdoor activity. It's USB Type-C rechargeable and features an LED battery display for convenience. If you need a safe, reliable, and eco-friendly alternative to traditional lighters for cooking, BBQs, or lighting candles and fireworks, this is an ideal choice. What people say. The Yocan Uni has a sleek and compact design, making it very portable and discreet. It features a universal 510-thread connection, compatible with most oil cartridges. The adjustable voltage settings allow for customization of the vaping experience, catering to different preferences. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.